Prime Minister Modi has firmly reiterated India's long-standing policy that any dialogue with Pakistan will be strictly limited to two issues, that includes terrorism and the return of PoK, and that there will be no negotiations with Pakistan on any other matter.
अगर पाकिस्तान से बात होगी तो पाक ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर पीओके उस पर ही होगी.
Prime Minister Modi has said that the effectiveness of made-in-India weapons was decisively proven during missile strikes against Pakistan, and the world is now witnessing the arrival of Indian weapons as a formidable force in 21st century warfare. Prime Minister Modi debunked Pakistan's claim of destroying India's S400 air defense system by posing in front of the S400 system during his visit to the Adampur airbase in Punjab today. Pakistani drones were detected and engaged in Jammu and Kashmir's Samba district last night, in what officials described as yet another ceasefire violation. Based on specific intelligence, the Indian Army launched a search and destroy operation, named Operation Keller, during which terrorists opened fire, that resulted in elimination of 3 hardcore terrorists, that includes the chief of the resistance front. The DRDO has displayed its indigenously developed long-range land attack cruise missile at the Defense Exhibition Athens 2025 in Greece, and latest reports suggests that Greece might consider it for procurement due to its 1,000 kilometers range, which has a complex and historically strained relationship with Turkey. The Indian Army has released a footage that shows the wreckage of a Pakistan Air Force Mirage-5 fighter jet that was shot down in a dogfight. Pakistan Air Force's Saab 2000 AWACS landed at midnight on 10th May on the Bholari airbase after an extended mission, and the crew was preparing it for its next mission, so they took the aircraft into a hangar to avoid surveillance. That gave the Indian Air Force a small window to strike. A Su-30 aircraft launched a devastating precision strike using a BrahMos air-launched cruise missile that destroyed the aircraft and hangar with 5 casualties, including a squadron leader. India has fast-tracked 22,500 crore rupees space-based surveillance 3 program from the previous 4 years to 1-year deadline, under which a constellation of 52 advanced spy satellites will be deployed. The Chinese military has refuted media reports that claim that its Y-20 military cargo plane has carried arms supplies to Pakistan, and warned legal action against those spreading such rumors. The Indian Navy is all set to start training its pilots to operate the Rafale marine fighter jet starting in 2026, in collaboration with the French Navy, that will oversee the training program. The first Rafale marine will be delivered in the second quarter of 2028, with the full 26 units order completed by the end of 2030. Noted defense analyst John Spencer has said that Indian Air Force not only defended its own airspace, but Indian Air Force also pierced through Chinese and American systems fielded by a nuclear-armed country Pakistan with precision and ease. Kalyani Strategic Systems has showcased its MAG 155mm truck-mounted howitzer, Garuda 105mm ultralight howitzer, and advanced underwater vehicles at Defense Exhibition Athens 2025. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.